Sounds like a squirrel. Yes, ma'am.
We have threatened birds that are nesting here on this property, and is that a drone?
Yes, ma'am.
It's real noisy.
Okay.
And I would say they were down there at that corner, a pair of them.
What threatened birds?
That's not really the best thing to be running here because of their threatened species.
Okay.
In the state of Florida.
Okay.
If you wouldn't mind finding another area.
Sure. I'm sure that planes and everything else don't bother them at all.
Well, excuse me, sir. Don't get smart with me. This is real different from a plane.
I'm sorry?
It's very different from a plane. It's going in and out, and it's noisy, like a buzzing, like angry bee.
Okay.
It's a little different from a plane.
Never had any problems with birds before, so.
Well, they're getting ready to nest. I'd say it's probably not the best thing to be buzzing around here. If you went out, farther out, like I can't get into because it's those fields out there where the kids play.
Okay.
But there are nesting boxes right there, and I just saw them up on the lights fixture populating. So they're definitely going to be laying eggs soon.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure. Unfucking believable. All right, so this is going to be just more of a rip video. Nothing really crazy. I got kicked out of that other spot, so I'm back at this spot where I flew like, I don't know, 5 months ago, which is a really good spot to fly. It's probably not going to be a continuous flight. Like I'll probably break this apart a little bit. Picking up some really bad habits with the FPV drone. So what I want to do is just try to flush those out, regain my throttle control, because this flies very different than the FPV drone. Also, I am using the Osmo Pocket 2 for my stick cam, which I think is working pretty good. It's actually not bad. I got this little mic up here, so maybe the audio sounds better. I'm not really sure, but let's give this a go. All right, So that was fun. Got some good little flowy lines going, and yeah, feel pretty good about that. Is that up there? Yeah, so that was pretty fun. Some nice lines at this place. This is probably one of my favorite places to fly, just because nobody's gonna bother you, and there's just so many little gaps and dives in here that make it really fun. That was really weird. I got kicked out of that last place. I didn't want to argue with her. And I didn't argue with her. I just left. So weird birds, right? All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Stay original.